Alrighty, it's a nice Friday, working on the shop, but figured I'd do a little video tour of my Westie. Gonna go and fire her up. It's a tight squeeze to get into my little makeshift storage for this guy. Oh. Alright. That's where I had my key on all my buses. Okie dokie. Alright, here she is. A 1961 Westfalia So23 special paint code SK692A. There weren't many of these ordered. I've read somewhere, I think my information could be wrong, that there was 13 made in this color combo and maybe 4-ish, maybe more to be found. Unsure exactly on the number, but there's only one other known original paint one, other than this one, and it's somewhere in the world. Yeah, so it's essentially palm green on the bottom and sand green on the top. So the colors are not entirely unique, but in this platform they're pretty unique. Palm green emblem there. This one has a nice Johnson Air Force Base emblem going on. This bus was originally painted, not originally, this bus before it got preserved had a bluish paint and a couple other layers of paint over it. It's got a nice clean uncut dash, which is nice. Original door cards, original head cards, original seat upholstery. I have a new seat cover for it, but I don't know if I'll put it on. Unfortunately, one of the previous owners of this bus took the fresh air vent, because there's not many palm green fresh air vents out there in the world, very little. And yeah, so I gotta make one of those, get some palm green stuff. But that's the dash. It was M-coated Safaris. This bus came from the Midwest. Seat's in a little bit rough condition. Gonna throw this for my doggy, because she likes to play stick. Nope, I didn't really shut this door. Yeah, this bus, as far as I know, has never been welded. So it's got a little bit of crust towards the bottom. It's got the rocker, it's a little crusty, but not terrible. I like the patina on this guy a lot. That is not a correct roof rack. That's an SO42 roof rack. And I'm just borrowing. I have yet to source a sloper for it. I'll go and look in the interior here. So most of this interior is original. Like all the original laminate's been touched up a bit. Got the cabinets. I store a little chessboard and I store my tent in there. I've got the net. It's not the original net, but it's still net. I store my guitars up there for when I'm camping. It's got the original green part in the back. This is a So23 that did not come with the ice box over here. So kind of nice, I can store a lot of things. One of the pieces that's not original is this little backrest. I don't have an original one of those. The previous owner made that. But, yeah, the rest of the interior, pretty original. Upholstery is not original. Curtains are not original nor correct. Same with the upholstery. I've got to shell out for the nice upholstery. Go and open this. The bottle opener is obviously not original as well. That's a previous owner thing, but the wood is in pretty good shape. Yeah. Got that. I do have a Mauser bowl for it. The water pump and everything works. Got the MK shot glasses. Hinge up. Again, those curtains are not original. You can see this is all the original veneer up there. Original head door cards. Original black sisal mat, or sisal mat, however you say it. I do have the enders in here. So it's stored nicely in there. It works. I use it all the time. Got the storage in there. I store my tea kettle, some candles and things. Okay. Yeah, this came originally with a Stuart Warner gas heater, so that's what that outlet is. I've piped my diesel heater into it. Interior is not perfect, but it's pretty good. I mean, for the age, the Lumba's in really good shape. I actually do store things in here, as I do use this bus a lot. So I store clothing. A wardrobe cabinet. Well, that's the basic gist of the bus. Really special, very unique paint code. Super cool, original condition So23. Thanks for watching. Yeah. It's got its dents, it's got its dings. We'll talk about the motor actually real fast before I jet away. The motor is just a 1600 single port. I am building a 40 horse for it, so it can be correct, but right now, just a 1600 in there. So, anyways, that's my bus, Sweet Pea. Super cool bus, I really like it. Super nice to have an original Westie. So, we'll go ahead and call that a tour. Thank you, and bye-bye.